Hey everyone, this workflow automatically collects customer data through a form, analyzes it using AI for sentiment and category, and logs the result into Google Sheets. It also sends follow-up email based on sentiment, ensuring both customer satisfaction and testimonial collection. The workflow consists of form node, set node, AI agent, Sheets node, and the Gmail node. This is a Sheets data. This data we got from the form, and the following columns are given by the AI agent. Let's execute the workflow, and it's asking the rating. Let's give 1. John j@gmail.com. I don't like the food. The workflow starts when a customer submits the form, capturing inputs like rating, name, email, and feedback message. The edit field node processes raw input and appends the current date, time, AI sentiment analysis using Google Gemini. The feedback messages is analyzed. The model the model classifies it into sentiment, positive, negative, neutral, category, and summary. Like here, sentiment is negative, category others. The summary, customer is dissatisfied with the food. Results are automatically appended to the feedback form, Google Sheets, including the user details, rating, sentiment, and summary for record keeping. Then the condition to check the sentiment node, if negative or neutral, an email alert is sent to the support team for quick resolution. If positive, the marketing team receives a notification to collect testimonial or reviews. Like here, it send it to the support team. Let's refresh, and we have got the email. John has rated 1. The feedback message is, I don't like the food, please contact him at this and try to resolve the issue as soon as possible. Let's check the sheets data, and is appended a new row. The agent response is also saved in the sheets. This workflow creates a fully automated AI-powered feedback system from submission to analysis, storage, and response handling. Help, it helps businesses track customer satisfaction, identify issues early, and collect positive testimonial automatically. Thanks for watching.